Hey, good morning, fellow traders. Today is Friday, July 26th, coming into you live once again. Day trading number 5 of the week. And happy to say I got a clean green win for me today, which is very good. It makes up for my red day yesterday. But just to recap, that was my third red day in 26 trading days. So once again, happy to know that. Guys, going to go over my trades today. I'm actually going to talk about Twitter, which was the big gain for me. I won't have time to go through all of my trades, but to quickly recap, AMD Technologies, I gained $45. McDonald's was in the negative $48. Starbucks rendered me a $215 loss, which sucks, but what was the bigger win for me was
I don't
Twitter,
know. Brian probably knows more
which
than
was
Fred. I
the
love
big
that they
the
increased
big
the
thing
Fed
for
rate.
me. So that rendered me $680. Let's quickly get into Twitter, guys. In the day chart, let's start with the day chart because this is where it becomes important. It's you can see it was a big gap up based on some earnings reports, and you can see how I have my trend lines marked out. Top descending lines, the ascending lines here, so on and so forth. I've also marked out a couple of key price points. And the idea here, guys, was there was a huge pocket. So it opened up here at $40. There was a huge pocket to sail past, especially if it passed this price point here, $40.89. So as you can see, it's now hitting my first trend line, or my first set out dollar price line here, 41.97, basically that 42 range, and it's starting to feel some pressure resistance here, and it's coming down. But this had a beautiful smooth sailing pocket to go north, and that's exactly what I was. I was long bias on this one. So let's take a look at the 1 minute chart from the open. So here we are, guys. Here's the 1 minute chart. My greens represent my entries and my reds represent profit taking. So right off the hop, after a very, very strong green candlestick, I entered long, took some profits. Matter of fact, it was going so well that I re-entered again. It did a bit of a dip. It popped back up, took my profit, exited my position 100% here. Consolidated a bit, tapped the 9 EMA, a strong push up here, guys. As soon as it was on its way, perhaps with the intent, after seeing this strong dip buy right here, this candle wick right here, guys, this was very important to me. This is when it was just about approaching the break of the body of this candle. I entered long again with the anticipation of breaking the previous candle wick, and sure enough, look at this skyrocket, just went booming. You see all my red candles here, guys. This represents profits, consolidation, bouncing around. I took a bit more profits here. Here we are, guys, with the anticipation of breaking the previous candle. It was just blooming. So I felt confident bringing in some more share counts. Anyways, came up, dabbled around, took some profits, started to come down, took the rest of my profits out, let it consolidate a little bit more. Once again, it broke this candle right here. I went long again. You can see right here. Now it did come back down. I actually held on this one. What I liked about this is just the simple fact that, it came down to the 9 EMA, pushed right back up. It did come down. This is where I took advantage of this larger dip, and I re-added my entry. You can see my entry right here, re-added. As it came up, it surpassed the 50% mark of my first buy versus my second buy. Started to take some profits. Added a bit more to my entry as it had a double top within the 1 minute. You see how right here, it actually broke, came back down, and was about to break again. I re-entered again. Sure enough, pop up. And re-entered again after breaking this candle and popped up, and I sold, and that's where I sold. I ended up all my trading right there. This one rendered me almost $700 clean, and I have a feeling this Twitter stock is gonna just do a beautiful long day. I think it's going to continue to trend up here. This is current time right now, 9:58. My last trade was 9:51, so about 20 minutes of trading, and I'm finishing my day up $460. So I'm going to stop right there while I'm ahead. It's pretty close to my max daily goal, and this is where I got to stay patient now. I've made my money. And, I have an urge to keep on trading just because the markets are very strong right now. Look at my my stock selections here. Everything is just green, gap up, just green, green, green. Very strong market right now. So anyways, guys, I will be returning on Monday. Hopefully everyone had a good trading week. I rendered out green this week. I had only one red day this week, and I had 4 green days. So I'm happy with my trading. And till then, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. So take care, guys. Happy trading, and all the best.